straight to the point. But when just on the chat, I'll talk, and then you see that then the time is gone. All right, so here this is a daily SNR. You see this daily SNR price means this daily SNR. Hit it. So we have a daily rejecting a daily, right? So if a daily is rejecting a daily in one direction, it means that 1 hour should give us a breakout. So let's see, 1 hour. Okay, so daily has rejected daily. 1 hour has given us a breakout. You see, so it looks like this. It looks like this. So 1 hour has given us a breakout. So once 1 hour has given us a breakout, it means that it is selling. But if it's a daily, where is the closest daily level that we are going to target? Okay, so that's the most important thing, right? We are hitting this level. The closest daily is here. The closest daily SNR is this particular one, right? So price goes up straight, trades below it. The next one is this, breaks it, breaks this particular one, this one rejects. So when this daily has rejected and you want to see if it's a buy, then we have to make sure that 1 hour has broken out. Where is it? Okay, so you see that here daily has rejected daily, but 1 hour has not given us a breakout, right? So it is not a buy, even though price came. So that's why price went down pretty good, right? And then came to retest this level. Okay, this level. All right, so we tested this particular level. Let's see daily. What level is that? All right, so and you can apply the same thing on the 4 hour. You can apply the same thing on the 4 hour. Now let's look at the other aspect, which is the breakout. Okay, so we are look at the rejection. Let's look at the breakout. For the breakout, I'll still use, let me see, weekly. Let me go to the weekly. Still use weekly, and then this one I'll do a bearish example. Okay, so I'll use a replay mode, cut this side. Okay, look here. Okay, price has rejected a higher time frame SNR, and now there's a breakout on the weekly. You have a weekly breakout. Where's this thing? Okay, so you have a weekly breakout here. Okay, now what do you have? You have a weekly breakout. So what I was trying to say is that if you get a breakout like this, okay, this tells us this is continuation. So when you get that continuation, you get that breakout to signify continuation, what you do is that, okay, you are monitoring to see if price is going to break out. Okay, so on a lower time frame, you see this is weekly. So on a 4 hour, if you see a breakout like this, okay, it's a reversal pattern, but it's not an entire reversal because we have broken out. So this becomes a pullback into a zone before we sell. So that's what I meant. So now look at it. So here I'm not looking at the SNR, even though I know that it's an SNR that will cause a rejection. So now I'll go to 4 hour and I want to see a breakout, because what we've seen already a breakout on the weekly. Do we have a breakout? Yes, we have a breakout. You see, you have a breakout on the 4 hour. Once you have a breakout on the 4 hour, it tells me that this pullback, this move is a pullback, because what weekly has broken out, has closed. It wasn't a rejection, it was a close below. Oh, internet. Okay, so you see weekly has closed below. Then this rejection, 4 hour. Okay, so now even with this one, I'm waiting for price to come back to the SNR. So let's see what happened. 4, right? So you see, right, there was a breakout, but it is a pullback. Why? Because weekly has closed below. Okay, weekly has broken out. Okay, so now we go again. Let's go back to the weekly. Okay, we are still on the weekly. Okay, So you see that it never, with all the rejection on the 4 hour, because we have broken out, it continued going down. Okay, what's happening? Internet. Anyway, okay, so here again we have a breakout. And definitely, because before this one will do the pullback, there'll be a breakout on 4 hour down here. Okay, at this level, by all means there'll be a breakout. Okay, so you go to 4 hour, you see that there's a breakout. Now this breakout that happened here, okay, so you see that 4 hour has broken out. The breakout happened around this level and that level, okay, both of them. So you have a breakout, but this breakout doesn't tell me that it's a reversal, because weekly has given us a breakout. So it tells me that now price is pulling back. So you see, price pulls back to an SNR level. Okay, so there's an SNR here, there's another SNR level here. Okay, so price pulls back, so it tells me that it's a pullback, right? And within this area there's a daily SNR. So now that you have broken out here, if anything happens around this level, I'll call it a pullback. Okay, but there are exceptions. Okay, there are exceptions. The exceptions is that price hit another strong level, and we'll be talking about strong levels. Okay, so don't worry about it. So look at it. See, price breakout here, price comes, then it's going to sell. You see what it did? Okay, so if you go to 4 hour at that level, I'm sure, okay, as I said, so this was the first one. At that level there was a breakout on the 4 hour breakout, but where did it go to? It went back to the weekly. It is a pullback and not a full reversal. Okay, again, let's go back to the weekly. All right, so now you can continue. See, okay, so now we have a breakout on the higher time frame, the weekly. So now we have a breakout here. Okay, see, we have a breakout. If a breakout, a reversal sign happens on this particular level, okay, it is a weekly to the nearest weekly, so I'll see it to be a pullback. Okay, see, pullback, it pulled back small. All right, so that's how it works. But I hope I was able to explain it well. If you don't understand anything, you can put it in the comment and I'll be available to explain. Thank you.